In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade tracks in Pro Tools. So there's a few ways to do this. The easiest one is going to be to go to your tools up top and you want to click on kind of this button, which is above all of these, to enable the Smart tool, okay? So whenever you do this and it's selected like that, make sure you click on this banner, which is around these three tools over here. You can go to your audio inside your track, and then you can go either at the beginning, so top left of your track like this, an icon will appear, or you could go to the end, top like this, and of course you can click and drag, and that way, as you can see, it's going to fade your track either in or out, okay? That's the first way to do it. Then the second one is simply going to be to use the selector tool, so this one over here, and then you can just go and select the entire thing, your entire audio, and then go to edit, and then fades, and then create, and that's going to create a fade however you want it, of course. Click OK, and you are good to go. Or you also have one more way, which is to go and kind of highlight this part, press Ctrl and F, and there we go. You can set your fade over here and hit OK, and you can do the same thing for fading out as well, okay? So those are kind of the ways to fade tracks. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.